What's going on, everybody? This is your WOF Outlook and discussion for Wednesday, March 29th, 2023. And before we get into today's video, I hope everyone is doing well, remaining positive, and as always, staying blessed. All right, you guys, taking a look at the surface map this morning, a pretty quiet day here across much of the U.S. Probably going to see a few thunderstorms here, possibly across New York here in Pennsylvania, the Buffalo area, as well as we may have a few showers and thunderstorms here across South Florida in the Miami area. We currently do have some showers ongoing in East Central Texas here. And then as we spread out towards the West Coast, you can see, let me put on the water vapor imagery for you guys. And you can see we have the big spiral and low pressure the big spiraling low here that's about to be bowling balling its way in through California. And that's what's going to set the stage for the severe weather that's going to be coming for later this week, towards the end of this week, you guys. So that's a quick look at the current surface map, you guys, for this morning, and pretty cool here. So it's going to be a pretty nice, cool day here across the U.S., you guys. So that's going to segue us here. All right, you guys, let's pause. You know I like to pause. We're going to take all this off here. That's going to segue us into the convective outlooks. All right, you guys, let's get the temperatures off real quick. All right, let's go. All right, so we already had convective outlook day one, you guys. So as I said, you see we have a thunderstorm risk here across the California coast, another thunderstorm risk here across South Florida, and another risk for some thunderstorms today across the state of New York and Pennsylvania. As we move into convective outlook day two, you guys, that will be for Thursday tomorrow. And as you can see here, we will have some thunderstorms possibly along the extreme parts of southern Florida and the Florida Keys, you guys. Possibly some thunderstorms here around the Los Angeles area. Even some more storms here across Nevada, Arizona, Utah. And then we get into start to get into the main event here across the plains as this system starts to eject out of the western United States. And as you can see, there is a marginal risk of severe weather for parts of North Texas extending into Oklahoma and Kansas, with another secondary area across Nebraska and parts of South Dakota. All right, you guys, let's check the probabilities. And as you can see, tornadoes, a 2% here as I zoom in across parts of North Texas, Oklahoma, and into Southeast Kansas here, Oklahoma City, Wichita, Kansas, all in a 2% chance for tornadoes, you guys. As we move to the hail threat, there is a 5% hail threat, which does include the Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas area, and also parts of Nebraska and South Dakota up there. All right, let's check the wind probability. And as you can see, you guys, there's going to be the 5% wind threat as well from parts of extreme North Texas across Oklahoma and into Kansas. All right, you guys. So that's going to be that area for Thursday. So if you stay in this area, this is just going to be the appetizer, the pre-ingredients for what's going to be to come, you guys, as we now segue into convective outlook day three. And as you can see here, the Storm Prediction Center has a massive enhanced risk for severe weather, you guys, from basically the Louisiana Arkansas border all the way up into Iowa, almost near the Minnesota the Iowa Minnesota border. We could have an enhanced risk here for some severe weather, with tornadoes and damaging winds being the main primary threat further north here, you guys, and then with a secondary area of action further south along areas that already been impacted within this past week, which could see damaging winds, tornadoes, and even some isolated large hail. But as you can see across the New Orleans area, you guys, the Gulf Coast, we'll be under a general thunderstorm risk. But areas that's going to be in this enhanced risk, again, Memphis, St. Louis, Missouri, all the way up into parts of Iowa, almost just about a good half of Iowa will be under an enhanced risk here, you guys. And then coming back down, Springfield, Missouri, back down into Arkansas, Shreveport under a slight risk, Dallas under a marginal risk. So this is going to be quite a big event here coming up for Thursday night into Friday. And then you guys, as we take a look quickly here at the GFS, just want to make sure everything is still going along like it's supposed to. And it looks like it is, you guys, as we have the trough. This will be for Friday morning, you guys. As you can see, this trough is starting to eject out of the western U.S., entering the southern central plains. You can see the low pressure system starting to develop here across Nebraska, heading into Iowa. And you can see the strong low-level jet here that's going to be over much of the central United States. And then once this southwesterly jet comes in and interacts with that, and we already have the moisture and everything else that's going to be in play, do these thunderstorms take advantage of this environment that's going to be unfolding? That is the question that still remains to be seen. That may I'll answer. Let's put it that way, you guys. But as you can see, there's going to be a strong low-level jet over much of this enhanced and slight risk area. So damaging wind gusts and some tornadoes will be a big deal come Friday, you guys. And now we're going to take a quick look at the HRRR. It's not going to go out as far as all of Friday, but we could start to see some of the appetizers that's going to be going on Thursday night. All right, let's see. Oh, wait, hold on, you guys. Let me get to the 48-hour one. All right. So let's check and see, you guys. Let's get some of this going. We'll go to about, let's say, about Thursday evening. Let's start about Thursday evening, 7 o'clock, you guys. All right, we don't have anything on the map for Thursday evening. All right, let's keep on going. Let's try, see if we have anything. All right, about Thursday at 10 o'clock, you can start to see that we may have some showers starting to pop up here across East Texas, started even into Arkansas, the Memphis area. Could have some cells, some little thunderstorm showers, thunderstorms popping up. Nothing too heavy or severe yet. Look here, even into parts of northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, even into parts of South Dakota. Look at that strong little cell that could possibly be forming as early as Thursday night, 10 p.m. And as we head to midnight, 1 in the morning, you guys, and it's about as far as the HRRR will take us out. And as you can see, we have some heavy rains ongoing here across parts of Wisconsin and southern Minnesota. We do have a snowstorm here across parts of Canada and northern Minnesota, you guys. And then we have the showers and thunderstorms starting to develop here across Illinois, extending its way down to a few showers here across parts of East Texas, West Louisiana. This is about as far as the HRRR go out, you guys. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. As the Storm Prediction Center comes out with updates, you can receive them here at your Weather on the Fly. We will be back tomorrow morning to take a look at the HRRR, which it should go out much further so we can start to see how these storms are going to evolve here across the central U.S. Everyone be safe, be careful, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.